upgraded to a King Deluxe. So let's see what this room looks like. Okay. Right when you walk in, closet, ironing board, iron, safe. Okay. Got a full-length mirror there to check out your fit. TV already says, welcome Ronnie, Diamond member. And then we've got the bathroom. Very nice. Love the mirror. Do we have a curtain? Oh, we have a curtain. Oh, lose a point for that one. I don't like curtains. But I do like this bench that we got in here. This tiny little ledge. That's interesting. That was a choice. All right. Let's turn on some more lights. Okay. All right. So this is the living room area. Nice big king bed. We got a sitting area. Love that chair next to the bed. Little like nook. And then we have a sitting area, a desk, which is where I'm probably gonna do a lot of my work that I've got to do. Nice big spacious like area. Dresser, so you got plenty of storage. I guarantee one of these has a fridge. Yep, got a mini fridge right in that one. And this is their ice bucket, coffee kind of tea bar in that one. And then storage. So yeah. Now y'all know my favorite part of any room, as I slowly strip and get all of my stuff kind of off of me. Y'all know my favorite part of any room is gonna be that view. So, let me turn off these lights so I can check out the,
so that I may talk, squirrel.
The water that they give you is Icelandic glacial water. Oh, and you have 3 settings for the lights. Okay, so you have bright, bright, and brighter. Let me turn off this one, and we shall check out the view. Big, nice, tall windows and curtains. Oh, we have a very, very nice view of Alexandria here. That's the bus terminal, like bus station area. And then right behind this brick wall right here is the train station. So we are so close to the train station, literally just right out the door. The Embassy Suites that we've stayed at before, if you've seen that previous video, I'll link that down in the description below. But the Embassy Suites that we've stayed at before, that we love staying at, is actually also right across the street as well. So, this is our view of Alexandria. Let's see what they got in the market. It's all neatly put together. Got some soup. Cool stuff. Alcohol. Looks like they do have a microwave and a coffee machine, but it's not on at the moment. Some aqua panna. And then over here, oh, they got wine and ice cream. Oh, there's ice cream in that fridge over there. Any kind of sick needs or dietary or hygiene. And there's the ice cream. All kinds of candy. We just got a whole bunch of Hershey candy because we just came from Hershey.
Oh yeah. For everybody, it's $1,000.
And then over here, we've got Ronnie's just chit-chatting away. Over here, got a business kind of center over there in the corner with a nice little sitting area. And then when we walk this away, beautiful, beautiful lobby. I got a Starbucks over here. I got my Starbucks. Not my first choice, but I needed coffee. And then I think over here they have the King Street Tavern. This is probably where they had breakfast too, if you wanted breakfast. Nice little restaurant. You can watch the games if you want. We're in, I don't know if you can hear me because this escalator is like really loud, but we're in DC in Chinatown going to the Christmas market. So let's go. Made it to Chinatown. Now let's go find this Christmas market. All right, we've made it inside the Christmas market. There's all kinds of stuff everywhere. I like this stand, Vintage Underground, Taste of Germany. It's right next to the Smithsonian.
Oh.
Thank you. Look, they even got a Big Ron chocolate bar. Thank you. Naughty waffle. I feel like I need to eat there just because it's naughty waffle. S'mores and more. The kind of place they got a Virginia Beach map. There's home. I don't see Norfolk though. If you're looking for a beautiful journal, handmade, then this is your spot.
There was a place before
Beautiful, beautiful journals.
I think it was along the way.
No longer in the UK, but Ronnie still manages to find cheeky Nando's. Well, we're not here for Nando's. We're here to do some shopping. Next gift acquired. So they have like candles. When they burn, you can use them as like lotion. And so I got somebody a gift. Oh, how cute. So here's all the information about the market and all the different vendors. So it's open November 21st to December 23rd. They have the hours for you. You can look them up online. But yeah, this was fun. We're finishing up here at the market. Got all of our little treats and gifts. Did a little bit of shopping. If you've ever been to a Christmas market, it's a great place to like buy local and support local businesses. So the downtown DC market was a hit. We really enjoyed it. We didn't try any of the food, but we really came for like little gifts and stuff to find for people. So I definitely recommend coming to the downtown DC market. It's actually right near the Capital One Arena, right here at the Gallery Place Chinatown metro station. However, don't do the Chinatown exit at the metro. Do the other exit because then it literally brings you right here to the market. So yeah, that's my recommendation for the day. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!